We talk about retail and finance. Finance and insurance are really spearheading the use of analytics. They have gone as far as real-time analytics, predictive analytics, and even to sometimes prescribing by analytics. Whereas industries like healthcare and to some extent retail, online businesses are now just getting on with that bandwagon to some extent, and they are capitalizing slowly but pretty steadily. Here they are learning from what finance and insurance business have done. They have done to do more with the data. Here in these industries, all those slow adapters are trying to do outcome-based analytics, segmentation-based analytics, learn customer and customer behavior analytics. Those kind of things are predominantly happening in this industry. Middle East, compared to others, have also again kind of slow starters to some extent. But the opportunity here is huge, because if I look at it, no matter how big or small, one of the speakers said about 1,500% growth. I mean, that's massive. The volume is there. The diversity of people is good here, and the penetration level of internet and mobility is catching up heavily. So I think this brings a very good opportunity compared to developed economy. This is somewhere in the middle of not so developed economy, but at the same time, very mature economy cannot do any further kind of a thing. So from a mindset perspective as well as from a utilization perspective, there are enough opportunities. The biggest opportunity area is personalization. I see and I hear, although even the GCC countries here, I heard, although very similar in nature, but very different in terms of behavior patterns of customers. Who decides? Who are the decider? Who are the people? Who are the people who actually take decisions versus the people who spend money? Very involved with how government and policies drive these behaviors, and very diverse in terms of countries like Dubai, UAE, for example, very much ahead of others, whereas the population demographics a big advantage in countries like Saudi Arabia. So yeah, diversity is the wealth that you have here. The biggest challenge is non-still population. It's a mix of all, so there is no stability of population who are actually can be considered as potent floaters versus stickers to it. So that is one big challenge. Second challenge is I think the policy. Consistent policy agreement in terms of how open or how closed it should be. It has to go with culture as well to some extent, and how people actually perceive that policy in terms of personalization.